Hey, Matthew with Freedom Home Services here. A quick little tip for you. If you have a tripped breaker, let's say you try to plug something in and you lose power, or you plug something in and you can't get power at all. One of the first places you want to check is your breaker panel. So if you come out to the panel here, you'll look, you can't really tell which breaker is off. You have to really kind of run your finger down, and if you get a really keen eye, you could actually see that this breaker here is actually off. Now, you might think that you just push it back to the on position, but you can't. It actually won't stay. So what you have to do is you have to turn it all the way off and then all the way back on. Now, what happens if you do this and the breaker trips back off again? Well, the device that you have plugged in currently may be faulty. There also may be some sort of other issue on the line, and then you probably need to call an electrician. It also could be something with your breaker, but in any case, you need to call a licensed electrician to diagnose what the actual issue is and correct it as necessary. Hope this was helpful.